a big old storm blowing in. Alright, well, either way, we're working on the KFX 90, and we are going to be changing out the weights in the clutch and see if we can't get this thing to accelerate maybe a little bit more, give a little more performance. We did change the gear ratio with the sprockets, but now we're going to work on the weights. So yeah, you got to rip all this apart. It's pretty easy. You just have those push pins, go all the way around it. It's got 4 10 mil bolts, and then 2, there we go, 2 like Phillips with a 10 on the back, right here, and this whole thing just pops right off. So maybe like 5-10 minutes to get all this out of here, and then you have 8 mils to go around the outside. Just make sure you put them right back in, because they are different sizes, different lengths. I do have a video on how to pull that collar out, so you guys can follow that one if you want. But yeah, let's rip this thing off, 17 mil, pull this off, and then we should be able to get to those weights. Use impact, hit this thing off of there. Now this washer does have splines, so let me take it off, just pull it straight out, keep it together. You can see the splines in there. Come on, focus. There you go. Just make sure when you do put it all back together, come on, focus. What's up with this phone right now? Come on. Make sure the when you do put it all back together, that these splines are just a little bit sticking out, so you can get that washer on there. Alright, so we have the primary off. We can flip this thing the other way. Here are the roller weights. Let's pull up on it. There's the rollers. So what we're going to do is we have our trusty Harbor Freight. There we go, ounces. Well, we want grams actually, don't we? We want grams. It's pounds, grams. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to weigh one of these. 7. Again, not sure if these are super accurate, or you know, my gauge here is super accurate, but 7. Okay. So my guess is these are all going to be 7. 6. 7. Okay, that makes sense, huh? 7. Okay. So, what do we get to replace these on Amazon? These bad boys. Taiwan. So, they're supposed to fit. Obviously, we got different weights. Now, here's the problem that we're running into, and that's why I want some of you guys' input, is we were told from the forums you want to run a lighter one. In my opinion, that'll make it rev up faster, spin faster, because there's less weight. But a heavier one, which I didn't realize these were 7s. Again, they might not be. This thing might just be wrong, but a heavier one would be slower to speed up, but give you more top end, I think, in theory, because it's more weight on the outside of the clutches. So the belt will maybe go up a little further. I don't know if it'll physically will go up any further. But from the forums, everybody's saying go lighter. So we're going to take these out. We're going to weigh them, see where they're at too. We're going to do a 7. See if this thing is a 7 as well. Come on. That's a 6. Try it again. 7. Oh, is that annoying? Okay. See if this is accurate. It's going to be an 8. 8. Okay, it's pretty close. So these should be a 6. 5. Let's try again. 6. Okay, so I'm going to do a little more research. I did see people throwing 5s in there. So maybe what we'll do is throw, these are 7s, maybe we'll throw a 5 in there. So it's going to be, what, 2 grams lighter, and see if there's going to be any difference. Luckily, this is a pretty easy thing to do. You can swap them out if it doesn't change anything, or it doesn't seem like it's giving you the speed that you want. Just pull it back apart, slap new weights in. Swap those out, slap this thing back in there. Come on. There we go. And we'll clean these all up and put them back on the quad. Alright guys, so we got the KFX all done with the lighter weights. These are 5 gram weights compared to the 7 gram. And I couldn't tell much of a difference. I'm also significantly heavier than Callie, so hopefully once she gets on this thing, she can rip it and see if she feels any different. So I did do a little research on these like GY6 style four-wheelers, scooters, stuff like that. And with the clutches, the lighter weight you go, that's going to help with more acceleration in mid pull. And then if you run heavier weights, you're going to lose that acceleration, but get more top end. So with the gear ratio change and the weights, I'm hoping to kind of have this thing set pretty good. Not sure. Again, we will tell when Callie rides it and takes it for a little test run. If we have to change the weights, we'll change them up. Maybe go a little bit heavier. Maybe put 6 grams in. I don't know. We'll see. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section. And as always, God bless.